Welcome students. As we had discussed in the last two videos, exercise number 5.1 and exercise number 5.2. In this video, we will be discussing exercise number 5.3. Exercise number 5.1 is just the introduction exercise for arithmetic progression. Exercise 5.2 is the exercise based on the nth term of arithmetic progression. And now in this exercise, we will be discussing about the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. How we will be calculating the sum of n terms, sum of first n terms? The formula which we will be using is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can also use the formula n upon 2 into first term plus the nth term. These two formulas we will be using accordingly. So let's start the exercise. Question number 1, exercise 5.3. Find the sum of the following APs. And here I am taking the second part, minus 37, minus 33, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, and so on up to 12 terms. We have to find the sum up to 12 terms. So here the value of A is minus 37. The value of D you all know. How to get the value of D? And the value of N is given 12 here. So N, A, D, all the three terms are given to you here. So the unknown N, A, D सब है हमारे पास यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली पुट करके आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. D हमेशा क्या होगा? सेकंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म. Minus 33 minus 37, so it will become plus 37. 37 minus 33 is 4, so the value of D will be 4. Now let's apply the formula. We will write S12 because Sn for n terms, so S12 for first 12 terms. So 12 upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. So what it will be? 12 minus 1. So what is 12 minus 1? 11. 11d. So in this way, 2 6 are 12, 74, 44. Okay, so what you will be getting? You will be getting 6 into minus 30, and that is minus 180. So this will be the answer which you will be getting by using the formula. Directly use the formula. If you will directly use the formula, then it will be better for you. And put the value directly also. Otherwise it will take more time. So I am solving now the fourth part. 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12. 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12. 1 upon 10. Up to how many terms? Up to 11 terms. So the value of A is what? 1 upon 15. The value of D will be 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. The LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. So it will be 1 upon 60. Now N is 11. So use the formula. Again the same formula. S11 is equals to 11 upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 11 minus 1, so 10d. Like this, 11 upon 2, 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 6, because this get cancelled. So 11 upon 2 into 30, 15 2s are 30, 6 5s are 30. 11 upon 2 into 9 upon 30. It will be 99 upon 60. So in this way we will be solving and getting the value of sum of first given terms. If it will be 12 terms, 11 terms, है ना? तो इसको आप काट सकते हो. 33 upon 20 भी कर सकते हो, है ना? 3 3 9, 3 3 9, 3 2 6. 33 upon 20 will be the answer. So this is all about the first question. Only two parts I had solved, students. The rest of the two parts you try to solve, and if you will not, you will definitely get the answer. there is no question of not getting the answer, because there is only one formula, and using that formula, I think it is not difficult for you to get the answer. Now when we move on to the second question, it is a little bit different, because in the second question we will be using the next formula, the second formula which I had given you, and the question is 7, 10 1 upon 2, 14, 7, 10 1 upon 2, 14, बढ़ती हुई सीरीज है, अब टू कहां तक गया है, 48 तक गया है, सॉरी 84 तक गया है, it is up to 84. So what is A here? A is what? 7. D will be what? D will be 10.5 minus 7. Second term minus first term. 10 and a half means 10.5. 10.5 minus 7, it will be 3.5. And AN is given 84 here. AN is given 84. Now students, if you see carefully, that you will find that in both the formulas, this n is must. You must have the value of n given to you. N is common in both the formulas. A is common in both the formulas. They must be given to you to find the sum of n terms. A जरूर होना चाहिए आपके पास, n की वैल्यू भी जरूर होना चाहिए. यहां पर n की वैल्यू मिसिंग है, जो आपको दिया गया है, इसमें n नहीं है आपके पास. So how you will be calculating the value of n? The last exercise we have discussed the formula for calculating the nth term. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an is 84, the value of a is 7, and the value of d is 3.5. So when this will be shifted to that side, what will you be getting? 77, and 3.5 and come here, it will be. So in this way, you will be getting the value of this is this 0, 35, 2s are 22, and 23. The value of n you will be getting equal to 23. Now it will be easy for you to calculate the value of sum of n terms. So what is n here? N is 23. So what is the formula? 23 upon 2 into a plus an. The value of an is what? 84. So 23 upon 2 into 91. 23 into 91. 207, 209. So it is 209 upon 2. So in this way, you will be getting the answer for question number 2. Question number 2 is also very important question, because in this question, second formula we are using, and also we have to calculate one more term. This can also be written as 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 1 upon 2, because in the answer sheet it is given like this. So this is also the form in which we can represent the answer. Now one more question I am solving for you students from this particular question, because at least 2 questions I should solve, and rest of the question you must solve, because then only you will be getting the practice of how to solve these questions. It is -5 plus -8 plus -11, -5 plus -8 plus -11, -230. ये कम होते 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 -230 हो गया. मतलब हमारे पास ये जो सीरीज है, रिड्यूसिंग सीरीज है, कम हो रही है धीरे धीरे. a की वैल्यू -5, d -8 minus -5, and the value of an is -230. So students, again n is missing here. So n is missing, that's why we use the formula which we had used in the last exercise. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. On substituting the values, what you will be getting? -225 upon -3 is equals to n minus 1. So you'll be getting the value of n is equals to 76. Now when you get the value of n76, we will find out the value of s76. So n upon 2 into a plus an, 76 upon 2 into minus 235. So 2 4s are 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16, 38, 235, 38, 38 5s are 190, 19, 38 3s are 84, 84 में 114, so it will be 133, 38 2 is 76, so it will be 89, so minus 8930 will be the answer of this question. So in this way, students, these questions we will be solving. Now let's move on to the third question. The third question is very important because it consists of so many different pattern of questions, different questions where the unknowns are different. I am now rubbing off this formula so that you just recall these formulas with me whenever I will say how to write the formula. Then you must recall with me. Now see, the third question we have 10 parts and I will be solving only 5 parts out of these 10 parts. So first is A5, D3, AN 50. A is 5 and AN is 50. A is 5, D is 3 and AN is 50. We have to find the value of N and Sn. These two values we have to find out. First of all, N, we have one formula. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 50. D is 3. 45 upon 3. So you'll get the value of N is equals to 16. And then we will calculate the value of Sn. That is 16 upon 2 into A plus An. So this is 8 into 55. So it is 440. So in this way, by using the given conditions, the given data, we will be finding out the next unknown numbers N and Sn. Now let's move on to the third part. A12 is given, D is given, find A. A12 is given, D is given, find A and S12. We have to find the value of A and S12. A12 37, D is 3. A12 37, D is 3. Okay, students. What is A12? A12 is A plus 11D. This we had discussed in the last class. So the value of A will be 4. Now S12, it is 12 upon 2 into A plus A12. 6 into 4 plus 37. 6 into 41. So it is 246. So in this way, we will be getting the solutions, we will be getting the answers of these questions by finding out the unknowns with the help of the given data, the data which is given to you. This is question number 3 we are discussing, students. First part we had discussed, then we had discussed the third part. Now I am solving the fifth part. D is given 5, S9 is given 75. देखिए बहुत अच्छा सवाल. D is 5, S9 is 75. N is not given. D is 5, S9 is 75. We have to find the value of A and A9. S9, the value of S9 is 9 by 2 into 2A plus 8d. D is also known to us, that is 5. So which formula I am using? Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula which I am using here. N upon 2 means S9 we are calculating. So 9 upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1. 9 minus 1 is what? 8 into d. D is what? 5. So it is 9 by 2 into S9 is also given 75. So 75 into 2 upon 9, 2a plus 40, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 25, 50 upon 3 minus 40 is equals to 2a. So 2a is equals to minus 70 upon 3, minus 35 upon 3. The value of a will be minus 35 upon 3. Then the value of a9, a plus 8d. What is a? Minus 35 by 3, just now we had calculated. And what is d? D is 5. तो S9 की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? Minus, not minus, it is 85 by 3, the value of A9. 85 by 3 will be the value of A9. ध्यान से देख लीजिए, सबसे पहले हमने S9 का फॉर्मूला यूज किया. S9 will be equal to 9 upon 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d, that is 8d. ये ध्यान रखिएगा, हमेशा फॉर्मूला जब भी आप यूज करें तो ध्यान से करें, इस तरह से करें कि आप वैल्यूज को ठीक प्रकार सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकें. S9 will be 9 upon 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d. Now I am solving the seventh part where an and Sn is given. I have to find the value of n and d. It is very simple. Use the second formula to solve this. Now I am solving part 6. A is 2, d is 8. A is 2, d is 8 and Sn is 90. A is 2, d is 8, Sn is 90, and find the value of n and a. So Sn n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again I am adding the formula, see carefully. 90 is equals to n upon 2 into 2a n minus 1 into d. All the values. 180 is equals to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8, opening the bracket, n into 8n minus 4, 180, 8n square minus 4n. The equation is 8n square minus 4n, minus 180 is equals to 0, or you can write 2n square minus n minus 45 is equals to 0, splitting the middle term. 9n minus 10n minus 45 is equals to 0, and 2n plus 9 minus 5, 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. So n minus 5 and 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. So you are getting the value of n equals to 5 and minus 9 by 2. The value of n is 5 we will take. Minus 9 by 2 cannot be value of n. n जो है काउंट करता है टर्म को, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म. n जो होता है n टर्म होता है, तो n जो है वो काउंट करता है टर्म को, वो कभी भी फ्रैक्शन में या नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. इसीलिए यहां पर ये वैल्यू को हम रिजेक्ट करेंगे. n 5 है तो an क्या हो जाएगा? a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? 2 plus 5 minus 1 into d कितना है? 8. कितना हो गया? 34. तो an की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 34. इस प्रकार से दी हुई कंडीशंस को यूज करते हुए हम ये सवाल करते हैं. बहुत ही बेहतरीन सवाल है. सारे सवाल अटेम्प्ट करिएगा जरूर. सारे सवाल करके देखिए, एग्जाम में जरूर इन सवालों में से एक आध सवाल आता है. जो कि एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में भी हो सकते हैं. Although these are the questions, lengthier question, they will take time to solve, but when you will solving the MCQs, they will be giving you the time to solve these questions. Now let's move on to one more question where it is given the value of AN, D and SN, that is 8th part. AN is given 4, D and SN, these three values are given to you. D is 2, SN is minus 40, and the value of N and A is asked. N and A is asked. So first of all, the value of Sn, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because here the unknowns are more. A is not known, n is also not known. So there are two variables in this equation which are not known, which are unknown. So in this way, one equation you will be getting, because two unknowns are here, you can't take the value of any of the variable. यहाँ पर n भी नहीं है, a भी नहीं है, दोनों चीजें नहीं है, तो जो है वो पुट करते गए हम. Sn की वैल्यू -14 थी, -14 पुट कर ली, इज इक्वल्स टू n अपॉन 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d की वैल्यू फिर है हमारे पास 2, वो हमने पुट कर दी. तो हमने क्या करा, 2a minus 2a plus 2n, 2a plus 2n minus 2, 2 कॉमन लेकर इस 2 से काट दिया, तो n into a plus n minus 1 आ गया हमारा, जो वैल्यू आ गई किसकी, -14. एक और फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास an का, जो कि हमें देता है an is equals to 4a plus n minus 1 into d. n minus 1 into d is what, 2. So a plus 2n minus 2 is equals to 4. So the value of a will be 4 plus 2, 6 minus 2n. So we are getting the value of a from here, that we will be substituting in the given equation, the first equation. Just now we had found it. So let us see, -14 is equals to n into the value of a is 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. I hope you all are getting. इस इक्वेशन में हम n a की जगह पर 6 minus 2n रख रहे हैं. -14, 6 minus 1, 5 minus n. So you will be getting n square minus 5n minus 14 is equals to 0. So n square plus 5n, sorry, n square plus 2n minus 7n minus 14 is equals to 0. n plus 2 minus 7n plus 2 is equals to 0. n minus 7n plus 2 is equals to 0. So you are getting the value of n equals to 7n minus 2. Minus 2 cannot be the value of 7, value of n, so it will be rejected. So the value of n will be taken as 7. Now when n is 7, the value of a will be -8. इस इक्वेशन में n की वैल्यू को पुट कर दिया, तो हमें i की वैल्यू मिल गई, हमें a की वैल्यू मिल गई. तो इस तरह से हम n और a की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. तो ये जो थे हमारे क्वेश्चंस जो हमने आज डिस्कस करे, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. एक्सरसाइज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एसएन की एक्सरसाइज वो एक्सरसाइज है जिसमें सब प्रकार के सवाल हैं. एएन के सवाल भी हैं, एनएट टर्म के सवाल भी हैं, सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स के सवाल भी हैं, कंबाइंड सवाल हैं. इसीलिए एक्सरसाइज बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो हम इसके छोटे छोटे वीडियोस आपको भेजेंगे ताकि आप इनको अच्छे से समझ सकें. तो पहले वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगले वीडियो में हम आपको आगे के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.